Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply aloe vera to my hair and scalp as a pre-poo. So depending on my mood and depending on what I have on hand, I use aloe vera in two ways. I take pieces of the aloe leaf, I cut them in half, and then I apply it directly to my hair and scalp. The second, I take the aloe leaf, blend it with some aloe juice, put it in an applicator bottle, and apply it to my hair and scalp that way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do both in one pre-poo session, but like I said, depending on my mood and what I have on hand, I'll only do one of these methods. But before we get into it, I want to show you how I prepared my aloe and my aloe vera juice. So I have my aloe leaf. I picked mine up from my local grocery store. First, I cut off the end, and then I chop it into smaller pieces. I take off the prickly edges, cut the slices in half, and then I scrape out the gel. Once I have all my gel pieces into my mixing cup, I then add aloe vera juice. Once I have my aloe juice and my aloe pieces in my mixing cup, I blend them together. Once all my blending is complete, I take that mixture, pour it into the nylon, and then strain it into the bowl. And for the last step, I take my funnel, and then I pour the mixture into my applicator bottle. And then we're ready to go. Okay, so now we can get started. So for the first part of the process, I take pieces of the aloe leaf, I cut them in half, and then I apply it directly to my hair and scalp. Once I find that the piece is getting a little dry, all I have to do is just poke it and then more gel comes out. So like I said in my previous video, I used aloe vera on my scalp for the entire month of July after I shaved my head, and I found that it helped a lot with the itchiness and dryness and flaking that I was experiencing on my scalp. But unfortunately, in the month of August, I started using it less and less, and then when it came to September, I stopped using it completely. So I made the decision back in October to start using it on a more consistent basis. So instead of using it every single day, I decided to use it as a pre-poo on a weekly basis when I wash and deep condition my hair. So I started doing this for the entire month of October, and this video was filmed on October 4th. So this was the beginning of the month when I started it, and I continued for the rest of the month. So when I finish applying the aloe, I give my head a nice massage. Scalp massages are so important, especially if you're trying to grow out your hair. It helps to improve the overall blood circulation to your scalp, which helps to stimulate the follicles to encourage hair growth. Moving on to my next step with the aloe in my applicator bottle, all I do is just apply it to my scalp and then massage it in. And for my final step, I'm using my homemade hair oil. So I apply this all over my head, paying close attention to my edges. And then I massage everything in. Just a quick tip, you may already know this, but make sure you're using the pads of your fingers and not your fingernails because you don't want to scratch and irritate your scalp. So once I'm done applying all that goodness to my hair and my scalp, I apply my shower cap and then I leave it on my hair for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and then I shampoo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.